You want to create a website for your cafe. You have heard about all these amazing AI tools that can build sites in seconds. But here's the thing, you don't know where to start. What prompt should you use? Which AI tool is actually the best? How do you host your website for free? It feels like a lot, right? Don't worry, I have got you covered. I am going to walk you through the entire process step by step, from generating the perfect website using AI to customizing it just the way you like, and yes, getting it online without spending a single dollar. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's dive into it. This is the website which we are gonna build today. In order to create a website, you need to plan its layout, such as the header, the body, and the footer. We will include horizontal sliders with smooth scrolling effect. Slight animations on the menu cards. I have listed out the steps. Step 1 is to plan the layout, basically the structure and the features of the web page. Step 2, specify the key features in the prompt. And step 3, use GitHub and Netlify. We will be using 3 tools in total: Bolt for website creation, GitHub for uploading the code, and Netlify for hosting. This is how Bolt AI website looks. On the left side, you can enter the prompt to generate the website. And on the right side of the screen, we can get the code as well as we can see the preview of the final website. You can get the prompt I have used from the description section of this video. Once you generate the code as well as the website, we have the option to save this code onto our GitHub repository. After we hit the publish button, the website will be uploaded on the Netlify domain. As you can see, the website is now published on the Netlify domain and it's hosted there. So you can even use the external link to browse it. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you.